Sri Gurupi Namaka children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. This is 12th standard max, state board, chapter 4, exercise 4.2, second sum. State the reason for cos inverse of cos of minus pi by 6 not equal to minus pi by 6. You know very well what is that cos inverse of? Cos inverse of cos x. What is the value of cos inverse of cos x? X. Same thing. Cos of minus theta equal to cos theta because it is your even function. Cos of minus theta equal to cos theta. So cos inverse of minus pi by 6, cos of minus pi by 6 equal to cos inverse of minus theta is nothing but what? Cos theta. So the answer is pi by 6. So this value it's not equal to from 1 from 1 from 1 cos inverse of cos of minus pi by 6 not equal to minus pi by 6, not equal to minus pi by 6. See the third one is cos inverse of minus x equal to pi minus cos inverse of x. It's true. Justify your answer. Yes, it is true. Yes, it is true. Because see here, see the solution. Let cos inverse of, you can take it as cos inverse of minus x equal to alpha. So minus x equal to cos alpha. You bring that cos inverse to the right hand side. Minus x equal to minus x equal to cos alpha. X equal to minus cos alpha. When cos alpha gets negative, whether it lies in the second quadrant and third quadrant. So I will write it as x equal to cos of pi minus alpha. Cos of 180 minus theta is minus cos theta because theta lies in second quadrant. Theta lies in second quadrant. That is alpha lies in second quadrant. If it is lies in second quadrant, sign is positive and cos is negative. Sign is positive and cos is negative. So x equal to cos of pi minus alpha. X equal to cos of pi minus alpha. You bring this cos to the left hand side. So cos inverse of x equal to pi minus alpha. Cos inverse of x equal to pi minus alpha. Alpha equal to, interchange the value. Alpha equal to, you interchange alpha and cos inverse of x. Alpha equal to pi minus cos inverse of x. Alpha equal to pi minus cos inverse of x. What is alpha? Alpha is nothing but what? From 1, you can take it as this one is 1. From 1, cos inverse of minus x equal to pi minus cos inverse of x. So we justify the answer. We move on to the next one. What is the next one? Fourth sum. Find the principal value of the range of the principal value of alpha equal to cos inverse of x. The range. What is the range? The range of the principal value. The range of the principal value. Principal value. The range of the principal value of cos inverse of x. Cos inverse of x is closed interval. Closed interval 0, pi. Closed interval 0 comma pi. So you can take it as, see here, alpha equal to alpha equal to alpha equal to cos inverse of 1 by 2. So cos alpha equal to 1 by 2. When you can get the value 1 by 2, cos alpha equal to cos pi by 3. So alpha value equal to pi by 3. It lies in the interval. Alpha value equal to pi by 3. It belongs to the interval 0 comma pi. It belongs to the interval 0 comma pi. Belongs to the interval 0 comma pi. The principal value of the principal value of principal principal value of cos inverse of cos inverse of 1 by 2 is cos inverse of 1 by 2 is pi by 3. 1 by 2 is pi by 3. We move on to the fourth. We move on to the fifth sum. What is the fifth sum? First subdivision. 2 cos inverse of 1 by 2 plus sine inverse of 1 by 2. See the trigonometric value. You know very well about the trigonometric values of cos, sine, alpha, cos, sine theta, and cos theta and sine theta. When you will get the value of 1 by 2 in trigonometric table, cos table, yeah, it is 60 degree. It is 60 degree, pi by 3. You write it in a radian form. 1 by 2, sine inverse of 1 by 2 is pi by 6. So, sine 30 degree equal to 1 by 2. That 30 we have written in a form of pi by 6. What is 180 by 6? The same way cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree equal to 1 by 2. That 60 is pi by 3. So, it gives 2 pi by 3 plus pi by 6. So you can take it as the LCM. LCM is, you can take the LCM 6. You can take the LCM 6. 6 is the LCM. You can take the LCM 6. See here, you can take the LCM 6. It gives 6 is the LCM into 2 into 2. It gives 4 pi plus pi. So what is the answer? Answer is 5 pi by 6. The answer is 5 pi by 6. We move on to the second subdivision. The same way you can proceed. Cos inverse of 1 by 2. Cos inverse of 1 by 2. Sine of minus theta equal to minus sine theta. The same way sine inverse of minus theta equal to minus sine inverse of theta. So you can get minus sine inverse of 1. When you can get the value cos inverse of 1 by 2, we already seen what degree? Pi by, yeah, cos inverse of 1 by 2 is pi by 3 minus sine inverse of 1 pi by 2. Sine 90 degree equal to 1, cos 60 degree equal to 1 by 2. So you can take the LCM. What is the LCM? 6 is the LCM. The LCM is 6. 6 is the LCM. See here. 6. You can take the LCM 6 into 2 into 2. So 2 pi minus 3 pi. The answer is minus pi by 6. The answer is minus pi by 6. We move on to the next sum. Third subdivision. You know very well what is the formula. Cos of A plus B. Cos of A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So it gives cos of pi by cos of pi by 7 cos of pi by 17 minus sine of pi by 7 sine of pi by 17 cos A cos B minus sin A sin B equal to cos of A plus B, that is pi by 7 plus pi by 17. So what is the value? You can take it as 1. So it gives cos inverse of, it gives cos inverse of cos of pi by 7, cos of pi by 7 plus pi by 17, pi by 7 plus pi by 17, pi by 7 plus pi by 17, cos inverse of, cos inverse of, cos of, what is the LCM? 17 sevens are 119. 119. So 17 pi plus 7 pi, 17 pi plus 7 pi, it gives cos inverse of cos of 24 pi by 119. 24 pi by 119. Cos inverse cos get cancelled. What is the value? 24 pi by 119. 24 pi, 24 pi by 119. I hope you understood, children. See, it's a very important exercise. I hope you understood. See here, children. If you have any doubt, you ask me. Is it clear for you? To receive your online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.